Jimin, Cookie, here is your school bag. I set all the books and notebooks according to the timetable. All your pencils are sharp. Here, take your water bottle. Drink water only from your bottle. Cook, Appa, how much you talk? Cookie's ears started hurting. Don't shout. Cookie can hear everything. You don't need to shout all the time. Jimin, Cookie won't listen anything at once. That's why Appa has to shout. Cook shouts, Tata! Cookie Shakti, let's go! Yoongi, while buttoning his sleeves button, Dada is also ready, let's go. Jimin stopped him. What, let's go? Where is your tie? Yoongi touched his neck. Tie. Jimin showed him his tie. Here is this. Both Dada and Cookie are same. They both forget everything. Started tying his tie. Yoongi, because we know we have you to take care of our things. Jimin, yeah, now put this important file in your bag. It's very important. All the details of upcoming meetings are in this. Here is your watch, wallet, and handkerchief. And here is car's key and your coat. Now you both are ready to go. Yoongi held Cook's hand. Okay, bye bye. Cookie waved his hand. Bye bye, Appa. Jimin waved his hand too. Bye bye, drive safely. Name Min Yoongi, age 29 years old. Profession CEO at his own company. Nature introvert, less spoken, loving, caring, cold, aggressive, punctual, disciplined, honest, said without realizing his words but later regret. Loves his husband and son a lot but can't show it. Name Min Jimin, age 27 years old. Profession software engineer but work from home. Nature extrovert, bubbly, loving, caring, sweet, sensible, punctual, disciplined, honest, maturely handle the things and never takes Yoongi's or Cookie's words on his heart. Loves his husband and son a lot. Name Min Jungkook, age 5 years old. Nickname Cookie. Profession student. Nature cute, loving, caring, sweet, demanding, aggressive, quickly learn the things, wants the things which others have. Loves his dad and Appa a lot. Arthur's point of view. This is Min family. Nah. Don't judge them by their nature and what just happened because reality is totally opposite of this. This sweet and loving looking like family, it's not at all sweet. Why I'm saying this, you will see soon. Time skipped after some times. Jimin came to pick Cookie from his school. It's his daily routine. He always came to pick him, but Cookie doesn't like it. Why? See it by yourself. Jimin waved his hand and shouts, Cookie, Appa is here. Boy 1, Cookie, see, your Appa came to pick you again. Boy 2, Cookie, are you still a baby whose parents came to school to pick you? Boy 3, yeah, Cookie is a baby. Shut up, Cookie isn't a baby anymore. Cookie is a big boy. Cookie can do anything. Boy 1, if Cookie is a big boy, then why does his Appa come to take him? Boy 2, my Appa never come to pick me. Boy 3, only Cookie's Appa come to pick him. Otherwise, we all go with Driver Uncle. We aren't a baby who needs Appa to take him home. Loved. Cookie isn't a baby anymore. Cookie is a big boy. If you don't dare to laugh again, then Cookie will break your teeth and then laugh with your broken teeth. Ran to Jimin. Jimin took his bag and hugged him. Cookie, how was your day? Cook became about. Appa, why would you come to pick Cookie always? Cookie is a big boy. Cookie can come to home with Driver Uncle too. Appa doesn't need to come here daily. Jimin, Appa loves to come pick Cookie daily. Appa can't left Cookie with Driver Uncle. Cookie is still very young to come with home, driver uncle. When Cookie will start going in his middle school, then Appa won't come to pick Cookie. Cook shocked. Middle school? No, no, no. Cookie is a big boy. Cookie doesn't need a penny more. Jimin smiled. No matter how much big Cookie become, Cookie always needs his Appa. Cook wins. But Cookie's friends teasing Cookie by calling Cookie a baby. Cookie can't go to home alone. That's why his Appa always come to pick him. Jimin, let them say whatever they wanna say. Why are you listening them? Their parents don't come to pick them because they don't have time for them. Cook, no, they don't come because they know their kids become big, but you are still treating Cookie like a baby. Jimin, because Cookie is still a cute little baby for Appa. Cook, give Cookie to Cookie's back. Cookie can pick up Cookie's back by himself. Appa doesn't need to carry it. Jimin, it's heavy. Appa is here to pick Cookie's bag. If Cookie will pick this much heavy bag, then Cookie can't grow taller. Cook, Appa isn't tall. Jimin, because in childhood, Appa also picked heavy school bags and Appa's height is stuck. That's why Appa doesn't want Cookie to pick this much heavy school bag. Cook, why does driver uncle always park the car too far away? Cookie is tired. Cookie doesn't want to walk. Jimin, because walking is good for health. Cookie should walk too. It makes Cookie's bone and muscles strong. Cook, Cookie doesn't need this. Cookie is a strong boy. Show him his muscles. Jimin, Appa knows very well what does Cookie wants or not. They both were walking, but Cookie saw ice cream truck and started willing to buy him one. Cook saw ice cream truck. Appa, ice cream, buy one for Cookie, please. Jimin looked at the ice cream truck. No, Cookie can't eat ice cream. Cook, wee. Jimin, what wee? It's unhealthy and unhygienic. Cookie can't eat this. Cook, but see, everyone is eating now. Nothing is happening to them. Jimin, let them eat, but Cookie can't. Cookie doesn't need to do the things which others will do. If Cookie wants to eat, then Appa will make it at home. It will be super healthy. Now let's go. Appa has so many works to do. Tracked him. Time is kept at party. It's the corporate party. Yoongi's company won any awards, so it was Dad's party. So many big personalities are here. Yoongi will directly came from his company. With his business partners, Jimin and Cookie came from home. They were waiting for Yoongi. As soon as Yoongi arrived, paparazzis, medias started clicking his pics. Jimin and Cookie were standing at the corner and looking at him. Jimin was so happy and proud. Cookie ran to Yoongi and hugged him tightly. Cook hugged him tightly. Dada! Yoongi hugged him back. Cookie, when did you come? Cook, few minutes ago. Cookie and Appa are waiting for you. Dada is looking so handsome. Yoongi, oh thank you. Cookie is also looking so handsome. Paparazzi, sir, is he your son? Yoongi smiled. He is my son. Paparazzi, he is looking so cute. Can we click his pic too along with you? Yoongi, his pic? Looked at Jimin, who shook his head as no. Paparazzi, sir, please. Yoongi, okay, you can click it. Picked Cookie in his arms. Cookie, look at the camera. They will click your pics. Cook happily. Otti! They both started posing for the camera, and Jimin angrily left from there and sat on the table which assigned for them and started drinking his juice. There were lots of cameras, so he didn't want to create any scene. After a few minutes, they both came there and sat beside Jimin. Yoongi tried to hold his hand. Jimin, listen. Jimin yanked his hand. We will talk at home. Cook. Appa, you know there were lots of uncles and aunts. They all were clicking Cookie's pics. Cookie is tired by smiling. Jimin, I saw everything. Yoongi, Jimin, what's this? Why did you wear this? You wore it last year too in my new company's inauguration. Jimin, so I only wore it one time. Can't I repeat this? I don't have this much money to waste. You have party every week now. From where do I get different outfits for every party? They both were arguing. Just then Cookie shouts to see someone. That person was fully covered from paparazzis. Cook, Tata, what's happening there? Yuki looked at there. Looked like any big celebrity came. Soon they all were busy in talking. Yoongi was busy in talking with his colleague and other company's business persons. Jimin doesn't like this corporate party at all. It was so boring. Everyone was throwing fake smile. Cook, Appa, why are you feeding Cookie? Cookie is a big boy. Cookie can eat by himself. Jimin, while feeding him, I know how much Cookie eat. Cookie's little tummy can't fill without eating by Appa's hands. Cook looked at the man. Wow! Appa, see that uncle is looking so handsome. Jimin looked at him. Cook, why doesn't Appa dress up like that, uncle? Jimin, because Appa doesn't want. Cook, if Appa will dress up like that, then Appa will also look 1,000 times better than that uncle. Jimin, Appa is happy in his clothes. Yoongi, sit beside him. What's happening here? Cook, Dada, Cookie was telling to Appa that if Cookie will dress up like that uncle, then Appa will look 1,000 times better. Yoongi looked at here and there. Which uncle? Anyways, Cookie, your Appa is so boring. He doesn't has any fashion sense. See, in this corporate party, he wore this type of bright colors. Your Appa will never wear good clothes. Cook, yeah, Appa is boring, na. Jimin, yeah, make fun of me, but your opinion never mattered to me. Tapped on his shoulder. Min Yoongi. Yoongi turned to him. Yes, but who are you? Removed his shades. Jung Ho shook. Didn't you recognize me? How can you forget your best friend? Yoongi hugged him tightly. Hobie, I didn't forget you. It's just I didn't expect you here. How are you? You are looking so hot. You groomed yourself a lot, Hobie. But you are still looking the same hot and Cook tucked Yoongi's long cape. Dada, who is this uncle? Hobie looked at him. Dada? Yoongi, he is your son? Yoongi smiled. He is my son, Cookie, and he is my husband, Jimin. Jimin, he is my high school's best friend, Hobie. Hobie handshaked. Hello, nice to meet you. You are looking so good. Jimin, thank you so much, and you are also looking so handsome. Hobie, Jimin, do you know if my parents hadn't left this country, then today I would have been in husband in your place. Jimin, shocked. Really? I didn't know this. Hobie, what's this, Yoongi? You didn't tell him how much you mad were for me in our school days. Yoongi, he's right, Jimin. We even decided to book our wedding venue, but suddenly his parents left the country and we lost all the contact. After that, you came in my life and I found that whatever has between us was just an attraction. After your arrival, I realized what does true love call. Time skipped after a week. It's been a week since Hobie came. After his arrival, everything had changed. Yoongi and Cookie started comparing him with Hobie on everything. Suddenly, they went closer to him. They started doing parties together and almost forgot Jimin. Yoongi started taunting him on everything. both, Jungkook started thinking that he was controlling them and didn't let them enjoy their life. Jimin, how easily they both forget me, how easily they blame me for everything. How can they think that I'm controlling them? They give the name of my love and care as control. That's alright, wiped his tears. I promised to myself that now onwards I will never cry for this reason. If they want freedom, then I will tell them what does freedom called. Now they will see my new side. I always think to not stress this matter, but I was so wrong. I shouldn't bear this. I shouldn't ignore their teasings and taunting. I should have taken this decision much earlier. I will definitely remind them of my importance. They thought Hopi is better than me, then let them live their life without Jimin. Time skipped it next day. Jungkook were running here and there because their life is mess. They can't find anything. Jimin was shifted in the guest room and locked himself. He wrote the letter for Yoongi that from now onwards he won't come in between them and stop them to do anything. They both can do anything, whatever they want. Yoongi was in his ego. He took this matter lightly and thought Jimin is just kidding. But if he knows Jimin is damn serious this time. Cook shouts, Tata! Where is Cookie's socks? Yoongi, I'm searching now. Can't you put your socks in your shoes? Cook, always Appa takes care of Cookie's things now. Yoongi, but right now your Appa isn't opening the door of guest room. Cook smells, Tata, something is burning. Yoongi remembered our breakfast, quickly ran to the kitchen. Without Jimin, they can't do anything because they never realized how much dependent they were on Jimin. Jimin was watching everything while hiding behind the pillar, but didn't came out to help them. They both ate burnt breakfast and came late for their school and office. Time skipped after some time. Jimin was in the guest room and working on his laptop. Cookie was loudly banging the door. He was crying because he didn't see his Appa from past 2 days. He was missing him. He didn't hear his voice. Cook, while crying hard, Appa, please open the door now. Cookie is here. Please talk with Cookie. Appa, you know Cookie's teacher punished Cookie. Cookie forget wrong book and went late too. Cookies all the homework were wrong. Cookie's teacher scolded Cookie a lot. Cookie's shoulders are hurting too. Cookie knows Appa is angry from Cookie. Cookie is a bad boy. Cookie hurt Appa a lot. Held his ears by his hands. Cookie Charlie. Cookie will do everything whatever Appa say. Please talk to Cookie now. Appa, open the door. Appa. He was crying mess while calling for Jimin, but Jimin didn't open the door. He was watching him through CCTV cameras. Soon Cookie slept on the door frame while crying hard. Jimin opened the door and made him sleep in his room. He applied ointment on his shoulders as he knew he picked heavy school bags. Time skipped after 2 days, same like Cookie. Yoongi also apologized to him, but he didn't say anything to him. He completely ignored both of them. In just 2 days, they realized Jimin's worth. Jimin was going outside. He already checked the CCTV cameras that Yoongi wasn't there. Luckily, Yoongi came to outside to attend the call. He saw Jimin was going outside, so he quickly went to him and held his hand. Yoongi held his hand. Jimin, please listen to me. Jimin yanked his hand. I don't want to listen anything. Yoongi looked at his outfit. Where are you going at this time and what's with this outfit? Jimin, I'm going in party. Now move away. Yoongi pinned him near the wall.
No, you aren't going anywhere, and by wearing this outfit, never ever. Jimin, why aren't you happy? Hobie was looking hot to you in this same outfit, but I don't. Yoongi, stop comparing yourself with him. There is no comparison between you two. Jimin, why am I not looking hot? Yoongi, turn his clothes. Hobie is hot, but my husband is the hottest. He can wear anything. He is single, but you are married and Appa of one child. Jimin, so what happened if I am an Appa? I can also live my life. Yoongi, of course you can. I never stop you to do anything, but not like this. You are only mine. I don't want anyone to see what's mine. Jimin, this thing didn't come in your mind when you were hanging out with your best friend even after having husband? Didn't you think your husband doesn't like this at all? Don't you feel any shame to make fun of your husband's appearance and comparing him with other? Don't you think your husband is also a human being? He will hurt too. I don't wear such type of clothes because I don't like to wear revealing clothes. But you started thinking I can't wear it. You are shamelessly comparing me with other person. Tell me on which basis you compare me with him. Maybe he is better than in look, but can he take care of your and Cookie's needs? Can he take care of your house? Can he remind you about your important files and dates? Can he love you like I do? Can he bear your taunts and teasing? Can he bear your aggressive and possessive nature without getting hurt? You didn't waste any minute to tear my clothes because of your possessiveness. And you think Hobby will bear you this misbehavior? He will slap you at very first day if you will dare to stop him to do anything. Yoongi held his hand and slapped himself by Jimin's hand. Then why didn't you slap me at very first day? Again slapped himself. Why didn't you bear this? Jimin, Yoongi, what are you doing? Leave my hand. You are hurting yourself. Yoongi, your slap won't hurt me that much. That much your ignorance too. I can bear anything, but I can't bear your ignorance. Your voice is my life, which I didn't hear from past 2 days. I know I hurt you so much. You know me now. I do and say and do things without realizing their meanings, but I never mean that. Hope it was my past. You are my present and future. There is no comparison between you two. Nobody can bear me except you. I only love you. I know I'm stupid and behave reckless, but I'm not a cheater. Jimin saw tears in his eyes. Hey, you're crying. Yoongi, no, Min, Yoongi never cry. Jimin, but Yoongi is crying in front of Jimin. Yoongi, tear dropped from his eyes because Jimin isn't talking with Yoongi. Joined their forehead. I love you. I can't show my feelings, but I truly love you and appreciate your hard works. I'm thankful towards you. Please talk to me. It's okay. Don't forget me, but at least talk to me. They both were talking. Suddenly, Cookie came to living room while searching Yoongi and found Yunmin there. He quickly went to them and hugged them legs. Cookie, while crying, Appa, Cookie is so jolly. Please talk to Cookie. Cookie will become a good boy. Cookie promise. Jimin picked him in his arms and wiped his tears. It's okay, Appa forgives you, but if it happened again, then Appa will never talk with Cookie. Cook, it will never happen again. Hugged him tightly. Yoongi, Dada is sorry too. Please forgive Dada too. This time and let him hug too. Jimin, come here, but it's last time. I'm forgiving you. If it happen again, Yoongi, it won't.
Never make fun of your loved one's appearance and never ever compare them with any other person because no one can do what he or she can. The end. Arthur's Note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Intentionally or unintentionally, we always compares our loved ones with other person. We always thought other one is better than our loved ones until we realize the worth of our loved ones. Dad says now, the grass is greener on the other side. We always think the grass is greener on the other side, but doesn't realize the beauty of what we already have. So respect and value them. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.